I think about linguistics as something that is good for those students who like taking their required language courses in high school always wanted to know why. And they annoy their teachers with these why questions. And if you have a lot of those why questions, then you're probably going to enjoy a linguistics class because it's all about not just taking the languages for granted, but sort of digging down like, gee, how does this person speak? And what does that tell us about the language that they carry inside their head? What does that tell us about their social identity? What does that tell us about how other people might react to them or judge them or communicate with them? And so linguists are working on all of these questions and all of these problems, and they're taking their ability to look at language as a system, whether that's located in the human body or existing in a society, and apply it in all of these domains because pretty much every aspect of life intersects with language in some way, and linguists and linguistics give us a sort of systematic means to address some of these pressing problems. A lot of people, when they think about language, they're taught to think in their previous school experiences about what linguists call prescriptive language. So this idea that there's a right way and a wrong way to speak, and there's a right way and a wrong way to write, and you better follow those rules or you're doing something wrong. But what linguists do is we focus on descriptive language. How is it that people are actually speaking? And what does that say about their brains? What does that say about their language? What does that say about their society? It's incredibly valuable in giving people the skills and the confidence to be flexible and open-minded in how they approach the world and how they approach their future careers. One thing about linguistics is it's a fairly young discipline. As an undergraduate student, you can pretty quickly get to the cutting edge, tackle questions that nobody's ever tackled before, or that maybe they've never even thought to ask before. And so there's this amazing amount of space for undergraduate students, graduate students to really dive into these of-the-moment debates and make an impact and sort of add to the knowledge of our field and to move things forward.